AI didn't become powerful overnight. It evolved step by step. Let's understand the AI hierarchy and evolution in under a minute. It started with rules-based systems, traditional software built on explicit if-then logic. These systems could follow instructions but couldn't learn. Then came machine learning, where computers began learning patterns from data instead of relying on hard-coded rules. Next was deep learning, using multi-layer neural networks to solve complex problems in vision, speech, and language. This led to foundation models, massive pre-trained models that learned from enormous amounts of data and could perform many different tasks. From foundation models emerged large language models, or LLMs, specialized in understanding and generating human language. These models power the rise of generative AI, enabling machines to create text, images, audio, video, and even code. To improve accuracy, we introduced RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, connecting AI to external knowledge sources and tools for real-time information. Then came AI agents, systems that can use tools, access memory, make decisions, and complete tasks on your behalf. And finally, Agentic AI, autonomous systems that can reason, plan, collaborate, self-correct, and pursue goals with minimal human intervention. That's how the AI ecosystem evolved, from logic to learning to creation to autonomous decision-making. Thanks for watching. Subscribe QuickTech for more future technology breakthroughs.